Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress for dropshipping. Start with the basics of setting up your WordPress site for dropshipping. This involves selecting a reliable hosting provider and registering a unique domain name that reflects your brand. Once your WordPress installation is complete, you'll need to integrate powerful e-commerce functionalities, primarily through the popular WooCommerce plugin. This foundational step is crucial for building a robust online store. Next, we'll dive into the essential plugins that power your dropshipping operation. WooCommerce is your core e-commerce engine, handling everything from product listings to secure checkout processes. You'll also need a dedicated dropshipping plugin, such as Ollie Dropship or a similar solution, to effortlessly import products from suppliers. Don't forget to configure your preferred payment gateways and define shipping zones for seamless transactions. Now, let's talk about finding the right products and suppliers. Researching reliable dropshipping partners is key to success, ensuring quality and timely delivery. Use your chosen dropshipping plugin to import products directly into your WordPress store, enriching them with compelling descriptions and high-quality images. Effective inventory and pricing management are vital to maintain profitability and offer competitive prices to your customers. Finally, we'll explore strategies to market your dropshipping business and achieve growth. Optimizing your store for search engines through SEO best practices will drive organic traffic. Leverage social media platforms and consider targeted paid advertising campaigns to expand your reach. Continuously analyze your sales data and customer feedback to refine your offerings, improve user experience, and scale your successful dropshipping venture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.